You know, by now you've heard about the ductless mini-split air and heat units and how easy they are to install. Let's take a look.
After you used your wall template to see where you'd like to place your indoor unit, it's important that you find studs that will line up with the mounting plate. Definitely use the wall template, the mounting plate, all the resources that you have just to make sure that you're drilling in the right place. You'll need a 3.5-inch hole saw so you can drill a hole all the way through your house, and through that hole is where your piping and electrical work will go to the outside unit. I've got all the piping and everything fed through the wall sleeve, and now I'm just going to hook the actual unit onto the wall mounting plate. There's a little ledge here at the top of the wall unit. I'll just hook it on top of here, and then I'm going to push the bottom part and it should click into place.
You know, the last step is hook up the electrical, connect your copper pipes, turn on the refrigerant, check for leaks, and folks, you're ready to go. You know, so easy. There's only 3 things that you have to run to each one of these units. We're having 10 units put in here. You got your copper lines, there's 2 of them. You got your electrical and your drain. Folks, that's all. And you can run it out through, I've run these through the sides of here to each side of the lodge here going out. You know, if you've got the duct work in your home, have you ever thought about how much air that you're heating and cooling inside these big ducts? Not to mention the bacteria and germs that cause respiratory infections. These things are dirty, folks. So if you're thinking about air conditioning or heating in your existing structure or your new lodge or home, give my folks up there at Mr. Cool a call. They're just good folks.